I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to my channel or you're just watching my channel for the first time, make sure you click on the subscribe button to get subscribed, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful, lovely hair. Hold up, let me come up close so you can see how lovely and beautiful these curls are. Can you see, guys? If you want to see how I achieved this style, just keep on watching and like, comment, share, do all those good stuff. All right guys, let's get started. So guys, the type of hair that I used in this tutorial is the Xpression braiding hair, but you can use any kind of braiding hair available in your area. So I cut it into two, pulled it, and that's it. And I just wrap it around my straw like that, but I made sure that the hair is well detangled. You don't want to wrap tangled hair around your straw. You want to make sure that it is well detangled. Then after that, I dipped it in hot water, and when I took it out, I sprayed a bit of hairspray bondings. I sprayed that just to give it a bit of extra hold. When I was done prepping my extension, I went ahead to section my hair from here to here, and I added some leave-in conditioner and my oil mix to the back side and gelled the front part down with my Eco Styler gel, like so. When I was done laying my hair, I went ahead to tie it down with some styling strips, like so, because I'll be sleeping in it. Yeah, and this is the next day. Yeah, and I want to show you guys how you take the hair down. You just slightly twist it in the opposite way you twisted the hair, and then you slide it out like that.
I don't think you believe it. It's like you're looking for reasons, so you can keep tripping. All we doing is catching up, cause you already got booed up. I've been dreaming about you, waking up with you in my...
After taking the hair down, I started crocheting it onto my hair like so. You don't want to knot it twice because you don't have any braids here, and you don't want to crochet the hair to the part of your head where you have really thin hair. Please just knot it once, and also don't put it to the parts where you don't have too much hair. As you can see, I didn't take it too down. I'm actually crocheting the hair onto the parts of my head that has thick hair. Yeah, if you have a thin hair like mine, you have to be really careful while doing the braidless crochet method, because you don't want to pull on your hair. You have to be careful. Crochet the hair onto the part of your head that has thick hair. Don't crochet it onto your edges at all, or else it will pull on your hair, and you don't want that. We are doing a protective style and not a destructive style.
For you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. Ooh, so much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already booed up.
I forgot I didn't show you guys how I opened the hair. This is actually how I did it. I just open it gently, and that's it, just once. And I use this elastic band and loop the hair around the elastic band like so, and attach it to the front part of my hair.
He got you all in your feelings, but do you know if you're happy? Cause that's the card that I'm dealing. You're feeling anxiety, well baby come try me. You always tell me to look you up.
After putting the hair to the front part of my hair, I noticed that my hair texture was still peeking through and I wasn't comfortable with that, so I had to take it down and I used one of the hair. I unraveled one of the hair to wrap around my hair so it will conceal my hair texture, and that was what I did here.
I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already leaving. You're always talking, you're leaving. I've been saying I'm ready, but I don't think you believe it. It's like you're looking for reasons.
After I was done with the hair, I was just playing around to see what I like. Maybe I should put it up or down. Actually, you can put it up or down, whichever way you like. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below to let me know how I did, and also share my video with family, friends. Until next time guys, bye.
Hey, he's body baby, oh Lord have his mercy. Hey, I say I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very